Let's go. Hello, my name is Serge, but you can call me Serge, and today's another video. Last video, I did a quick little selfie, and I put my picture on Chat GPT, and they told me what cat I look like, what dog I look like, what bird, hamster, fish, all those, what I resemble the most. And I got some really cool, interesting ones, so give that video a good watch, and come back here. So today we're going to do the 5 most common farm animals. What breed I resemble the most out of each one. So the 5 most common farm animals, not including horses. If y'all want to see horses, let me know down below and I can do horses next time. But today we're going to do cows, pigs, chickens, goats, and sheep. I'm not familiar with farms. Like I don't remember the last time I've been on a farm, girl. I'm a city boy, but I appreciate farms. And so yeah, like this video, comment down below your favorite part, subscribe, and share with your friends so I can do more. So let's see each farm animal, what I resemble. First and foremost, let me take a selfie. Remember that song? Okay, that's cute. What am I gonna do first? Let's do chickens first. Yeah. What chicken breed does this person resemble the most? Let's see.
Serving silky chicken energy. And yes, that's a major compliment in the poultry world. Let me break it down. Chicken face, silky chicken vibes. Soft, defined curls equals signature silky fluff. Silkies are known for their soft, down-like feathers that look more like luxurious hair than traditional feathers. Just like your perfectly defined curls, especially with that bandana, pushing them up like a feathery crown. Elegant and gentle presence.
Cool.
Silkies have a calm, regal energy. You look centered, poised, and low-key majestic. Exactly how a silky strolls through the co-op like royalty. Unique flair, from your layered jewelry to the soft glow of your skin, and your symmetrical features. There's something undeniably intentional about your style, and silkies are adored for standing out in a subtle, refined way. Mystical rep. In some cultures, silkies are considered magical or spiritual animals. With your soulful gaze and stylish aura, you're giving mystical chicken prince.
Hey, chicken prince, crown it, bitch. Let's see what a silky chicken look like, girl. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Wow, wow, wow. You can't even see his face! I mean, the hair kinda gives. I mean... ooh! Not a cooked silky chicken. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Wow, 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 wow. I look like a silky chicken. Okay, it looks so funny. Okay. Okay. How about sheeps? They say a Wensleydale sheep. Okay. Let's see what they say.
Yes, in this photo, you're giving strong Wensleydale sheep energy. Let's get into it. Sheep. Wensleydale sheep vibes. Curly crown. Wensleydales are known for their gorgeous, spiraled wool locks, often framing their face in a way that looks effortlessly stylish. Your natural curls plus the headband equals that same show-stopping woolly halo. Refined yet soft features. These sheep have a distinct, elongated face with a calm, regal look. Just like your smooth expression and poised, symmetrical features. Rare and luxurious. Wensleydales are not just beautiful, they're a premium, sought-after breed. Their wool is shiny, silky, and next level, much like the texture of your hair and the glow of your skin. You're giving exclusive breed, not everyday flock, composed but approachable. You're serving confident stillness, a quiet presence that draws attention. Wensleydales have that same magnetic I know I'm special posture, without being too loud about it.
Period. Period. Okay, let's see what a Wensleydale sheep look like. Oh. I like this. This picture. She is giving. The hair just, she's giving. I love that. Yes. Who is this diva? Who is this diva? Oh, who is this? Who is she? I love this. Yes. And I'm Aries, so we love the Rams. Yes, not the football team. No. Okay, it's sheeps, rams. I think that's different animals. But okay, I love this. Okay, cute. She looks good. She looks good. What was it? So we did chickens, we did sheep. Now let's do pigs. Ooh. What pigs? Pigs are cute. There are some cute pigs. A Juliana pig.
Goink. Let's talk pig energy. Because in this photo, you're absolutely giving miniature Juliana pig meets Cunicoon pig. Two of the cutest, most visually striking pig breeds out there. Here's why. Pig face. Juliana pig vibes. The stylish mini model pig. Sleek, polished appearance. Juliana pigs are known for their refined features, lean build, and often spotted or unique markings, all of which reflect the sharp styling in your look. From the crisp facial hair to the accessorizing and smooth skin, petite but powerful energy. They're small in size, but full of presence, much like how you command attention in a chill, composed way. Chic and expressive, these pigs are often called the painted pigs because of their beautiful, artistic coats, echoing the intentionality of your outfit, jewelry, and curls. Pig nose, Cunicoon pig vibes, adorable plus social charmer. Rounder face and warm energy. You have a softness in your expression that mirrors the Cunicoon's friendly, wide-eyed face. Naturally charming and gentle, Cunicoons are famously affectionate, charismatic, and approachable. They don't try too hard. They just are lovable. Much like the soft charisma in your photo. Culturally celebrated, originating from New Zealand, Cunicoons are prized for their personality and cuteness. Very much the I walk into the room and the energy lifts vibe you're giving.
I love. So they gave me two pigs, I think. Cunicoon pig and a Juliana pig. So let's look at the Juliana pig. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So it's a small pig. Okay, like a runt? Grunt. So cute. Aw, cute. And now let's look at the other one. Cunicoon pig. Let's see. Oh, that's okay. That's cute. That's so cute. Okay, that's cute. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. This light brown one, I can see with the hair. I can see that. Okay. The face is kind of. Look, some pigs are cute. Most of them are. All right. So next, let's look at cows. What cow breed does this person resemble the most? Cows. Let's go. A Dexter cow. Okay, let's see what that is. Dexter cow.
Oh, you're absolutely giving Dexter cow energy, with a touch of Highland cow, if we're leaning into softness and iconic hair. Let me break it down. Cow face, Dexter cow vibes. Compact but strong presence.
I like the name of Dexter cow.
Dexters are a small, elegant Irish breed with a balanced, muscular build, and a composed expression, much like how you carry yourself in this photo, poised, grounded, and quietly powerful. Expressive eyes. Dexter cows have wide, soulful eyes that give a sense of depth and calm curiosity, exactly like yours. Chic and adaptable. Dexters are low maintenance but beautiful, valued for their versatility. You're giving unbothered beauty that adapts to any vibe. Cow, Highland cow, soft focus glam edition. Iconic curls. The Highland cow's shaggy, textured fringe is a fashion statement in itself. Your curly crown and headband styling feel like the chic human version. Naturally photogenic. Highland cows are rugged but beautiful. They're practically influencers of the bovine world. You've got that same camera-ready stillness and softness here. Warm, earthy aesthetic. Your skin tone, the lighting, and the muted tank color give a cozy, natural feel. Very Highland grazing in a mist energy.
Love. Okay. I wonder if Chat GPT is ever gonna like be mean, because I feel like it's just there to just be nice. It's so nice. What a Dexter cow looks like. That sounds really cool, honestly. a Dexter cow. Let's see. Okay, I like the horns. The horns is pretty cool. It's short. It looks short. Okay, black, browns. Not bad, not bad. Cute, cute, cute. Ooh, this white one is really cute. That's really cute. A white Dexter cow. That's really cute. I love that. Okay, they gave me another cow. It said a Highland cow. Highland cow. Let's see. Ooh, I love the hair is like all the way down by the eyes. I love that. Wow, that's really cute. Oh, I love. This is a really small one, so cute. Oh my god, they're so adorable. Wow. Most of them. Okay. Cute. I love. Okay. The last one. So I did cows, I did pigs, sheep, chickens, and let's do the goat. Let's do the goat. A Nubian goat. Okay, I like the name of that.
Absolutely giving Nubian goat energy, with a dash of golden Guernsey elegance. Here's why this goat fit is spot on. Goat. Nubian goat vibes, the fashionable drama queen of the goat world. Sleek and sculpted face. Nubian goats have long, smooth facial lines and expressive eyes, just like your defined jawline, shaped facial hair, and softly intense gaze. Statement ears, statement style. Nubians have big, droopy ears that add to their I'm the moment aesthetic. Your earrings and jewelry mimic that subtle accessorized flair. Confident and vocal. These goats have big personalities and aren't afraid to be noticed. You've got that same vibe of presence, calm, but unmistakably there to be seen. Warm tones, rich texture. Their coats come in earthy, warm tones, matching the depth of your skin tone and your soft lighting here. Goat. Golden Guernsey goat. The rare, gentle beauty. Soft, golden curls. The Guernsey has a flowing, golden coat with a gentle curl, almost like the goat version of your curly hair plus glowy aesthetic. Refined but approachable, they're known for their sweet, peaceful demeanor, kind of like the calm, centered expression you're giving in this photo. Underrated luxury. Golden Guernseys are rare and deeply valued, just not always loud about it. Very low-key iconic, which you're absolutely pulling off here.
Thank you. Okay, last one. The goats. The Nubian goat. Let's see. Okay, cute, cute. I like the fur. Pretty cute. The ears are really long. Okay. I mean, he's a looker for someone. Okay. I can see that because it's brown. Most of them are brown. So yeah, I can see it. Now the other one is the golden Garni goat. The color's cute. I like the golden. Yeah, it says a rare goat, so that's pretty cool. And the horns are insane. Wow. I am a so I resonate with her. I resonate with her. Yeah. That's been the 5 farm animals that I guess I look alike or resemble. The golden Guernsey goat, the Nubian goat, the Highland cow, the Dexter cow, for all these names, the Kinney pig, Juliana pig, Windy Dale sheep, the silky chicken, fierce. Yes, so those are the farm animals that I apparently resonate with. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like down below your favorite part. Comment down below if you've searched any of these type of farm animals and what the chat gave you. I would like to know. Subscribe and share. Share so I can do more. If y'all want to see more videos like this, let me know down below. Follow me on all socials at Call Me Serge. And yes, so I'll see y'all in the next one.